This is blizzard of 2010. Look at this place. Look. We haven't even been able to get out. That's our driveway. Somewhere down there. Ken, stand next to the pile. Stand next to that pile. Rhonda, what you doing, girl? You have fun in the blizzard? You have fun in the blizzard? Yeah, go crazy. Crazy times, crazy times, crazy times. Oh yeah, sorry. Kim, next to the humongous wall of snow. We're never getting out of here, Anna. This is it. This is where we die. Yeah! What's up, Hang 10?
Look at all the snow on it.
Go, Hang 10. Go, Hang 10. Go, Hang 10. Go, 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 go. Mountain doggy. Mountain doggy. Oh my god. Oh yeah, we lost her. Is she alive?
Yeah. Barely. Rhonda, you okay? Rhonda, you okay? Get over there.
Where is she?
She's going. That's too late.
There's so much fucking snow. It's ridiculous. Oh, I can't wait to send this to people. This is so fucking funny. Whee! This is my wife trying to get on the deck.
Go in the backyard. Or the porch.
Check out the porch.
No, you gotta come over.
I'm not coming through all this shit.
Be careful, there's a real big...
Oh! This is ridiculous.
I don't know what we're standing on. But this is probably... Look at this. This is up to my waist. I don't think, because we haven't shoveled here, have we?
Oh, we tried last night. Alright, I'm gonna put this away. This thing's getting really wet.
It smells like poop.
Yeah.